Welcome guys to the first video of this epic channel Ninja Combo, and today I accept hash work like Gary V challenge. So before I dive into this challenge, let me introduce myself. I am Salman Adnan and I am currently studying in college in 12th grade, and yeah, that's my intro. And the reason behind why I've accepted hash work like Gary V challenge is because of the person Gary V. I know, like, maybe you have heard of him or maybe you have not. Maybe you have seen him in videos. Let me tell you a bit about him. So Gary V is the CEO of Gary Vayner Media, which is actually based upon inspiring people and transforming people's life from like sitting in a couch to doing something and achieving something. That company is literally based upon that, and it is not a small company. It has been expanded on a massive scale. If you want to know more about him, I will drop down the link in the description so you can know more about him. And yeah, so let's talk about the aims that I have for this challenge. And before I dive deep into the challenge, let me tell you about Gary Vee, that he is a person who has a work day or of about like 18 hours. Like that's crazy. He wake up at 5 a.m. and after that he go to gym, he go to basketball and a bit of that, and then he work until midnight. Like that's crazy. Of course I'm not going to work until midnight, but I am going to work every waking hour and over my limits, like out of my bounds. So I'm going to give it a try. Let's talk about the aims that we have for this challenge. So the first aim that I have is that I have to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day and sleep at 10 p.m. from Monday to Thursday, or Monday to Friday, and 9 p.m. from Saturday to Sunday. That's my first aim. And then my second aim is that I have to do the course which I have bought on Udemy about web development from Max. Max is the name of the coach, and it is all about web development, how to design, and all of that. So I have to do the course for about 1 hour or more from Monday to Thursday, and like more than 2 hours, more than or maybe 2 hours from Friday to Sunday. That's my second aim. My third aim is that I have to recite Holy Quran from like about 2 to 5 hours from Monday to Thursday. Sorry, Monday to Saturday, and about 2 hours or 3 hours on Sunday. And the reason behind why I'm doing it this long, because I'm Hafizul Quran and my tests are also coming in February, so I have to prepare for them. Yeah, that's my third aim. And now, as for my fourth aim, I am going to be studying. You can say, yes, studying for 1 hour or more from Monday to Thursday, and more than more than 3 hours from Friday to Sunday. And the reason behind why I have a bit more hours occupied on each thing from Friday to Sunday, or maybe Saturday on Sunday, is because my college is from Monday to Thursday, and from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. On these 3 days, my college is not open. That's why I've put more hours in studying and more hours in my course and all of that on from Friday to Sunday. That's the basic reason. So as for my fourth aim, or maybe like my fifth aim, I think, which is I have to teach computer science for about an hour to my brothers, and along with that I'm going to be making like 3 to 5 videos of about duration between 8 to 15 minutes. Usually my videos are of about 10 minutes, and I'm going to do this at least 5 days a week. Maybe it can be Monday to Friday, maybe it can be Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, or whatever the case might be, but at least 5 days a week. It can be more than that also. Yes, that's my fifth aim. And so for my sixth aim is that I have to read a book which is Atomic Habits right now for about 10 minutes a day, every day for 7 days a week. Like that's my best try. If I mistakenly miss it one day, I have to compensate it into another day, and I have to read about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I have to spend the next minutes about summarizing all of the part that I've read that day, which means it's going to take like about 5 to 10 minutes, or sometimes if it's even more comprehensive, it can take like 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, and then my last aim is that in the next 15 to 20 days, I have to take an online class based on procrastination. It will be an online Zoom class. So if you want to know more about it, please stay tuned to this channel, hit the bell icon so you can know more about like what's the class, because I'm going to discuss about it later in the videos. And yeah, these 7 points are all of my aims. And let me tell you this, that I'm going to upload one video a week describing that what I did a week, and I'm going to be honest with you guys that I am going to upload exactly what I did. If I fail, I failed. If I pass, I passed. That's it. That's what I'm going to share with you guys. And thank you very much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. रोक दो